Hello and welcome back to Beatrice Land. So today's video is me showing what a Blipli is. So a Blipli is a toilet paper tube, basically. See, this is a Blipli. I did some modifications to him. His name is Bart, and he has a beak and eyes. Most Bliplis are not like this. I'll show you what most Bliplis look like. This is what most Bliplis look like. I have a huge bin of them. It's called Blipli Box 1. Okay, so this is a Blipli, this is a Blipli, this is a Blipli, this is a Blipli. All of these are Bliplis, and yeah, I'm just gonna show all of my Bliplis, and yeah. These are the tall ones. Peach and No Name. This is my heaviest Blipli. Can't fit in the Blipli box or he's gonna tip it over. They are very heavy. Go down. Okay, back to confetti. And that's probably going to be the end of this video, since I'm completely emptied Blipli Box 1, and I will be showing all of my Bliplis in Blipli Box 2, which is over here. This is Blipli Box 2, and next time I will be showing all the Bliplis in here. But yeah, that is all of my Bliplis in Blipli Box 1, plus some ones over here, like this one. I haven't named it, but yes, it's fluffy. Oh, also, speaking of fluffy, this is called a fluffy, and ow, I stubbed my toe on the giant Blipli. Well, this is a fluffy. This is what Bliplis are made of. There's a Blipli inside here, and there's a Blipli inside most fluffies. Some fluffies don't have Bliplis, but this one does, and most of them do. So that is today's Blipli video.